If I told you there's a place to swim in crystal clear water in the middle of the Campo, you probably won't believe me. But that's exactly where we're going. We are going to Fonsalada between Oliva and Pago. Many people have told me about this place, and believe it or not, it's the first time I've been there myself. Fonsalada, a natural spring pool with water washed down from the mountains. It's beautiful, huh? See how clear that water is. If you like this video, perhaps you'll subscribe to the channel and give me a like. And if you stayed to the end, good on you.